Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to share this video with you. I have 5 crock pot recipes that use 5 ingredients or less. So these are really simple, but they're really delicious. My family loves these, so I'm so excited to share them with you. Let's get going with these 5 crock pot recipes that are 5 ingredients or less. Doesn't get any easier than this. This is one of my favorite crock pot recipes. I have 2 chicken breasts cut up. I have a can of rotel, black beans. I have a can of corn. Both of those are drained. I have some taco seasoning. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. I use this big container because we do a lot of taco flavoring recipes, but you can use a packet of taco seasoning if that's what you have. I'm going to give this a mix, and this is so easy, dump and go. I call this Fiesta chicken. I'm going to cook this on low for about 7 hours, or you can do it on high for 3 hours. Here it is, all done. It is really so good. Give this a stir and mix it all around a bit. I'm going to serve this with some rice. You can serve this in a tortilla as a burrito filling. It's so good. I'm going to top with some shredded cheddar cheese. I'm going to make some meatballs. Super easy, dump and go, frozen meatballs. This is going to be a French onion frozen meatball. So I have a can of this French onion, Campbell's condensed soup. I'm going to add that in. I have this onion soup mix. These packets are full of so much flavor. I use them in a lot of different recipes. And I have some Better Than Bouillon beef broth that I'm going to mix up. So I have a cup of the beef broth. I'm going to give this a mix, and I love frozen meatballs in the crock pot. They just turn out so great, so flavorful. I'm going to cook these on low for about 7 hours. You can cook them on high for 3 hours if you would like. And then these are just a really great, super tender, flavorful meatball at the end of the day. Oh my gosh, they are so good. They smell amazing. You can serve this with some rice. You can serve it with noodles. So I have some rice and a salad for this one. It's great. I have some chicken that I cut into some strips. I have some pesto. I love this pesto. I get this one at Costco, and it's just really great. You can make your own pesto if you want. But I had a 1/4 cup of the pesto. Now I'm going to cook this on low. Super simple. Just add these 2 ingredients in for now. So on low for about 7 hours. Now I'm going to add in some Alfredo sauce. So use your favorite kind. Just adding it right into the crock pot with all of the chicken, the juices, and the pesto. It's just really great. This is going to become nice and creamy. Look how creamy this is. The sauce is amazing. Now I cooked up some protein pasta, and I used the whole box, and I was mixing that all around. This is such a great high protein dinner and really so easy with minimal ingredients. Absolutely love this one. I'm going to make a pork loin. So I have just this regular pork loin. It's not seasoned at all. And I have some pepper jelly. So this is going to be, I'm going to do a shredded pork for this one. So I'm going to add this pepper jelly. I'm just going to put it on top of the pork loin and just kind of best on top of as I can. It kind of falls off a bit. But so here's my pork loin with the pepper jelly. I'm going to also add on a yellow onion. So I cut up half of the yellow onion into some strips, and then I'm just going to add this on top. I'm going to cook this on low for about 7 hours. You can cook it on high for 3 hours, and it is so good. It comes out amazing. I am now going to just shred it apart. You can shred it however which way you want. I'm just using my tongs and a fork and just shred this up, and you can add this onto sandwiches. I have it with some rice and veggies. I am going to make some chicken thighs, and I'm making a big batch of these chicken thighs, so I'm just going to add all of these to the crock pot. I love making a big batch of chicken and having it ready to go for lunches, for dinner the next night. It's really great for meal prepping. These chicken thighs come out really so good. So I'm going to make a sauce to put on the chicken thighs. So I have a tablespoon of honey. I have liquid aminos, or you can use soy sauce. I'm using a 1/4 cup. I have some ketchup also, and then this sauce is just really great. It's really simple, but it really turns out really good with these chicken thighs. So add in the 1/4 cup of ketchup, give this a little mix, and then add it on top of these chicken thighs. Chicken thighs come out so nice and tender in the crock pot. I've just been cooking a lot of chicken thighs lately. So just pour this on top. I'm gonna cook this on low for about 7 hours. You can cook it on high for about 3 hours if you would like. And this is a really just great chicken that goes with a ton of things. I like to put it on just a side with rice and veggies. You can top it onto a salad. You can make it into sandwiches. Just a really awesome chicken that we have all the time because it's so easy with just very few ingredients. So I hope that you loved these 5 crockpot recipes with 5 ingredients or less. They're quick and easy. They're really delicious. And I hope that this gave you some inspiration on some awesome meals to make for you and your family. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.